Hey y'all, so today I am making something that's based on a fun kind of street vendor food that we have out here on the West Coast, which is called walking tacos. But we're actually going to be making a casserole version, so you don't have to deal with all the mess of actually making one from scratch. I've got a pound of ground beef here and one small onion that I've diced and just giving it a quick saute. I've already drained the fat from the ground beef. To that, we're going to be adding 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. I know so many of you keep telling me I need to cook it with the ground beef before I put it into a casserole, so I'm going to give that a shot this time. I don't know if that really makes much of a difference, but you know. And toss that in. This is a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies that I've drained. That goes right in there. 1 can of black beans that I've rinsed and drained. Gonna mix this all together. We're gonna be adding, this is a 10-ounce can of the red enchilada sauce. Just with the whole thing right in there. Give that a good stir. We've got one last ingredient, and that is half of a block of cream cheese, so it's 4 ounces. That goes right in there. And then we're just going to stir this all together until the cheese gets combined with everything else. Okay, and then we're going to let that come to a simmer. So once all of this starts coming up to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and take a 1-cup bag. This is half of a 2-cup bag of Colby Jack cheese. And we're just going to top the whole thing with this. And turn off the heat. Make sure that the cheese is spread out everywhere. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes just to make sure that everything is melted and looks really great. And then we're going to go ahead and do a little assembly. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. It's just, everything's just heated through, the cheese is all melty. And then you want to put this out right before you serve. And then you're going to serve it with the following toppings. So Fritos, because this is a walking taco casserole. And walking tacos are traditionally where you get like the little snack bags of these. And then you open it up and you actually put everything on the inside and then you eat it with a spoon. But we're actually making it as a casserole. So on top of the Fritos chips, we're gonna add some diced tomatoes that I've rinsed and drained. And then we're gonna do some shredded lettuce. So I guess it's kind of like a reverse taco salad. And the point is to kind of have it all overflowing, kind of like you would in your Fritos bag. So once you've done that, I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream. And then some chopped green onions right on top. Doesn't that look pretty? Actually has a whole bunch of veggies. And then for a final touch, get some tahini, kind of lemon limey chili powder. Just like so. Isn't this pretty? So I would normally do a taste test here, but I'm actually taking this to a friend's place for our potluck. So try making this for your next Taco Tuesday or kind of potlucky Sunday brunch. I think everybody will love it.